So we're doing quadratic functions, and this is a picture I drew of Mr. Chaveste. I hope you enjoy.
So we're going to start by completing the square. Our equation is negative x squared minus 6x minus 8 all set equal to 0. We need to multiply everything by -1 because we can't have our a being negative. That's our equation after we do that. Then we need to subtract 8 from both sides and then erase it from the other side.
We're going to take 6 and plug it into the formula negative b over 2a. Once it's simplified, it comes out to be 9. You take 9, put it by negative 8, and also put it by 6x. You find two numbers that can be multiplied and added to 9 and 6, and that'll be 3. So we have 1 on that side because negative 8 plus 9 equals 1, x plus 3. So we took that from our magic x. We can square that because there's 2 of them. Once we square root both sides, we can cancel it out. We can subtract 3 to leave x by itself. And once we do that by 1, we get x equals -4 and x equals -2.
Sorry we forgot to write it, but this is using the quadratic formula. We're using the equation negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. We're just going to take our equation negative x squared minus 6x minus 8, and that's our a, b, and c, and we're going to plug that into our equation, and then it looks like that when you do that.
So once it's simplified, it comes out 6 plus or minus 4, and you spread those out to be 6 plus 4 over 2, 6 minus 4 over 2. Once you simplify that, you get x equals -5 and x equals -1. So this is our last equation, and it is finding the x-intercept by factoring. There's our magic x, so we're going to take 6 and 8 and put into the x. Find two numbers that multiply and add to 8 and 6, so that'll be 4 and 2. We put into our parentheses with x. Once we do that, we set it to 0. We want to make 4 and 2 two separate equations, so x plus 4 equals 0, x plus 2 equals 0. We want to set x alone, so we subtract both, and the answer becomes x equals -4 and x equals -2.